You've seen them everywhere. These strangely satisfying ASMR videos flooding your feeds on TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. They get millions upon millions of views. And yes, the top creators are making a lot of money from them. You see this, and you probably think you need to be on a secret waitlist for Google's Veo 3 or have access to other incredibly expensive, exclusive AI tools to even stand a chance. Well, what if I told you that was all wrong? In this video, I am handing you the complete professional formula to build a viral ASMR content machine for 2025. Veo 3 is an incredible piece of technology, but its price tag and limited access put it out of reach for 99% of us. This, you can start using the moment this video ends. And hey, if you want me to keep digging deep and bringing you these kinds of high-value, game-changing guides, it costs you nothing, but helps me out immensely if you subscribe, drop a like, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss what's next. And please, let me know in the comments what other AI secrets you want me to break down. Our first stop is ChatGPT, but we're not just using the standard version. We're heading to a very specific custom GPT that acts as our personal ASMR art director. I'll leave a direct link to it in the description, but you can also find it by searching Create ASMR Images for Videos in the GPT store. Let's click on that. Now, what makes this specific GPT a game changer is that it saves you from the nightmare of prompt engineering. Before this, you'd have to battle with DALL-E, writing endless prompts like photorealistic, 4K, cinematic lighting, macro lens, hyper-detailed, and it would still give you a weird-looking hand with 6 fingers. This GPT has all of that expert knowledge preloaded. It thinks like a food blogger and a filmmaker combined, aiming for perfection every time. You can literally ask it for anything you can imagine, but for this first run, let's just pick a preset to see how it works. I'll go with Molten Gold Bard. As you can see, it instantly generates a super detailed prompt for us. We don't have to touch this text, we just need to review the idea. This looks great, so I'll just follow the instructions and type generate. Right away, it asks for the aspect ratio. You can get 9:16 for TikTok, 16:9 for YouTube, whatever you need. We'll stick with the 9:16 TikTok format. I send that, and it gets to work, crafting that perfect image with the hand and knife already included, perfectly framed for a vertical video. And there we go, a flawless professional image. But before we move on, let's demonstrate the level of control you have here. I'm going to tell the GPT, don't change the image, just make the knife pink. I'll type that in, and you'll see it generates a new prompt first, updating the instructions before making the image. Now I just type generate, and I can even add 9:16 to the same line. And look at that, insane. The knife is a vibrant pink, and the rest of the image is identical. The level of control is just crazy. So we have our perfect photorealistic source image. But an image is static. The real magic happens when we bring it to life. For that, we're heading over to our second key tool, Kling AI. Before we jump into the most important part, I want to quickly recommend NordVPN, the tool I personally use to stay secure online. With NordVPN, you can instantly connect to servers in over 60 countries, so you can try out new AI tools or apps that aren't available in your country, and watch movies or shows that are normally blocked in your region. It's super fast, very easy to use, and it keeps all your data safe from hackers and trackers. And the best part? If you check it out through my link in the description or the pinned comment, you'll get over 70% off your plan. More privacy, more freedom, and a huge discount. Don't miss it. At the bottom of the GPT, it gives you a direct link. Now, the AI video space is exploding, but it's mostly divided into 2 camps: the ultra-powerful, inaccessible models like Sora and Veo, and the cheaper, often lower-quality tools. Kling is one of the first I've seen that truly bridges that gap, offering near top-tier quality at an incredibly accessible price point. When you sign up, they give you a generous amount of free credits to start. This lets you try out this entire workflow and make a whole batch of videos without spending a single dollar. All right, inside Kling, we go to video generation, then image to video. Always make sure you're using the latest model. Right now, that's Kling 2.1. We upload our image with the pink knife and the studio background. The prompt box here is optional, but I always recommend giving it some direction. I'll just type cutting static camera. And here is the pro tip for Kling, the secret sauce, this deep seek button. What this is actually doing is using a powerful language model to analyze the visual content of your image and translate your simple intent, cutting, into the technical language the AI animator understands best. It's like having a professional prompt engineer built right into the button. I click it, it works its magic, and now I'll just hit use prompt. And remember, one of the biggest game changers here is that Kling generates the video with audio natively, no sound design needed. Okay, let's hit generate. I'll let the final video play full screen so you can really take in the quality and the sound. I mean, you saw it for yourself. The quality is just on another level. Let's do a quick debrief of what we're seeing. Notice the realistic metallic reflections on the molten gold, the perfect texture of the knife, and how the studio lighting creates those soft highlights. And the audio, it's not a generic sound effect. It's a crisp, satisfying slicing sound that is perfectly synchronized with the motion. That audiovisual harmony is the secret to making these videos feel real. Let's go back to our custom GPT and start a new chat. A common question is if you're just stuck with knives. Nope. The GPT is just a starting point. You can ask for anything. So to prove it, I'm going to write a custom request. A laptop, and instead of a knife, a chainsaw. I send it, it generates the prompt, and I tell it to generate in 16:9 for YouTube this time. Wow. Okay, what an insane image. It perfectly understood the request. A laptop and a chainsaw in glorious 4K. Let's take this over to Kling. We upload it, and I'll give it the same simple instructions. Cutting, static camera, and hit the DeepSeek button to work its magic. We use that prompt, but this time, let's push the limits and set the duration to 10 seconds. Now, we generate. A quick tip, new generations appear at the top of your feed, so scroll up to see the progress. Okay, it's done. Let's see the 10-second result. That is just crazy. It respected the physics, the sound design is incredible, and it held the animation for the full 10 seconds. Let's analyze this one. Notice how the plastic shards fly off, how sparks are generated when the chainsaw hits the metal components. It's not just a simple cutting animation, it's simulating a destructive force. That's why the quality might be a fraction softer. The computational load is immense. And you can see other tabs here, like lip sync. That's a topic for a whole other video where I'll show you how to create talking avatars just like Veo 3. So make sure you're subscribed for that. To prove this workflow is consistent and these aren't just lucky results, let's do one final rapid-fire test. People ask if these are just lucky results. Let's prove it's not. Back to ChatGPT, new chat, and I'll just click a preset. Diamond honeycomb. It gives us the prompt, looks good, so I type, generate 916 for a viral TikTok. It creates the perfect image. We download it, take it to Kling, upload it, write a simple prompt, use DeepSeek, set it to 5 seconds, and generate. Let's see the first try result. I'll make it big so you can see it better. So there you have it. That is the complete step-by-step formula. Let's quickly recap the entire blueprint. Step 1, use the specialized ChatGPT to generate perfect 4K source images in seconds without the headache of complex prompting. Step 2, take that image over to Kling AI, use the DeepSeek enhancer to write you a perfect video prompt and generate a high-quality video complete with native audio. You now have the exact workflow that top creators can use to build a literal content machine capable of producing viral quality ASMR videos on demand without needing access to expensive and exclusive tools. The only thing left to do is for you to try it. Go experiment with different objects, different tools, different sounds. The potential is limitless, and you have everything you need to start right now. I really hope this definitive guide has been helpful and has given you a ton of value. If it has, one last like and a subscribe would mean the world to me, so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for your incredible support. See you in the next one.